Good morning children. Again back. Today in our class I will discuss about a simple project on addition without carryover. See children, 43 plus 21. We have to show this addition through a simple project. Go to this number. The last digit is 3. So in ones place I will put 3 sticks of cinnamon. 3 sticks of cinnamon I am going to place. Now the first digit is 4. So in tens place I am going to place 4 cardamoms, small cardamoms. Now go to this number. The last digit is 1. So I am placing 1 big cardamom. The first digit is 2. I am going to place 2 red chilies. Now add this. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So I am placing here 4 cloves. Now add this. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I am placing 6 black peppers. So what is the answer? The answer is 6 and 4, that is 64. Thank you children.